Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making my rice and Italian hot sausage recipe. For this recipe we are using 6 Italian hot sausage. To begin, we are cutting them into bite-sized pieces. Then rinse 3 cups of rice under cold water to remove most of the starch. Now in a large pot over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Saute the sausage for a few minutes or until brown. Once they have developed some color, remove from the pot and set them aside. Now, in the same pot, add in 1 small onion, diced. Saute the onion until it becomes translucent. Scrape the bottom of the pot as you saute the onion. Those pieces of meat have so much flavor. Then add in 4 cloves of garlic, minced, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of adobo, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Go ahead and saute these spices for about 45 seconds or so. Now add in 3 cups of water. We are doing the 1-to-1 ratio, 1 cup of water per 1 cup of rice. Then add in 1 chicken bouillon cube, followed by 1 packet of sazon. If you like to make your own sazon without the MSG, I do have a video on how to make it. I will put the link in the description box down below. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Go ahead and give that a stir. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add in the rice. Bring the sausage back in, of course. Go ahead and give that a stir until everything has been evenly incorporated. Continue cooking over medium-high heat until all the water has evaporated. Once all the water has evaporated, reduce the heat to low. Cover with a tight lid and we're going to cook on low for about 45 to 50 minutes. And after 25 minutes, go ahead and fluff the rice so it cooks evenly. Continue cooking, cover for another 25 minutes or until the rice is soft and tender. And after the rice has cooked completely, you may garnish with fresh Italian parsley if you like. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, my rice and hot Italian sausage recipe. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!